बच्चे the harmful changes brought in the environment by human activities are called pollution. We can say harmful changes occur and that will be brought in the environment. Same thing, smoke, factories coming from, releasing from the factories, releasing from the vehicles, and some different types of the smokes are there in the present in the environment. So bache, that are done by the human beings, and that is called environment pollution. Okay, so look at the picture given below. Number of things carefully you have to mention. They are the factories. Okay, the dust coming from the factories in the picture number one is dust coming from the factories, smoke releasing, and second things are there. Water is out coming outside from the factories. That is also a part of a pollution. That is water pollution. So, bache, vehicles are moving. Vehicles are also releasing the smoke. That is also part of a pollution. Okay, so there are the different things present in this picture. So next topic is pollution. So बच्चे pollution basically is the discharge of environment contaminants. बच्चे what are that? बच्चे pollution is basically discharge means releasing of environment contaminated means I told you now what is the meaning of contaminated, addition of poisonous or releasing the gases. Okay, so that is called contamination, which will create the pollution mode. It is the contamination of air, water, and land. But the smoke from the vehicles, factories pollute the environment. Dumping of chemicals, factories, waste contaminate the water, and garbage and other waste spoil the land or soil. But so what is that? See, these all things are releasing from the different types, like from vehicle smoke is releasing, factories also which will pollute the air. Okay, dumping of chemicals, factory waste that will contaminate the water means, and garbage and other waste which we are not using, we are just throwing out, that waste will destroy the environment, or we can say pollute the environment. Okay, the main type of pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, soil contamination, or land pollution, as well as noise pollution. But there are the different types of pollutions are there, we have to discuss one by one. Okay, so bache, among other ill effects, pollution also disrupt ecosystem and cause health problems. Bache, ill effect means negative point effects of pollution. Okay, has disrupt, but it disrupt means that will destroy the ecosystem means where we are living environment, we can say everything keep in the ecosystem, and that will be cause health problems, health issues. Obviously bache, pollution is very dangerous, and that will cause the health issues. Okay, next is, but we have to discuss one by one types of pollution. First is air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases with other particles in air is called air pollution. But see, in air there are different types of gases present, but harmful gases when mixed with the other particles which are present in the air, then we can say that is air pollution. Okay, human activities, industries, vehicles are the main source of pollution. See the picture, from the factory smoke is releasing, and from vehicles dust smoke is there, but that will cause the breathing problem in the to the mankind, we can say in human beings there will be a that will be very dangerous to the human being. Why? Because it causes the breathing problem, and it also causes harm to the plants, because they will stop, we can say they will slow down the growth of plants, and over time they become very weak and eventually die, we can say. Okay,